Hello children, good morning to all. I am back with your today's session. Be ready with your notebook, workbook, student reader, pencil, eraser, etc. Yes, let us move to our today's session. All of you open your worksheet. I will show the answers for our yesterday's session. I give you 5 seconds to open your worksheet, ma'am. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Worksheet 10, page number 38. Be ready with your pencil, ma. Yes. Just see the answers for worksheet 10, first question. Just make a self-correction with your answers. If you didn't finish means you just pause the video and then complete the answers in your workbook. I give you 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1, 0. Open next worksheet, worksheet number 11. And these are the answers for question number 1 and 2. You just see the answer and then make a self-correction with your answers in your workbook. I give you 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1, 0. Turn next page, worksheet 12. And these are the answers for first and second question. You just make a self-correction with your answers. I give you 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1, 0. Let us see the answer for third question. Look at this, ma. These are the answer for the third question in worksheet 12. You just copy the answers in your workbook. Just pause the video and then copy the answers in your workbook. I give you 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1, 0. Let us see the answer for worksheet 13. Look at this, ma. This is the answer for worksheet 13, first question. Yes, just make a self-correction with your answers. I give you 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1, 0. Very good, cuties. Let us move to our today's session. Children, before we entering our session, shall we start to clap our hands? Yes, I'm going to start countdown. You just clap your hands for 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1, 0. Very good, cuties. Yes, in our phonics session, we have learnt how to read the words by joining the sounds. Already we know how to read the words by joining the sounds, right? Yes. We also learnt how to write the words by breaking the words into individual sounds. We already learned, no, cuties? Do you remember? Yes. How to break the sounds into beginning, middle and then end. And then we are tried to write words using these sounds, right? Yes. I'm going to explain this above again. When we hear a word, we break the sounds into beginning, middle and then end, and then write the word, right? Yes. Today we are going to do some activity. Now I am going to say some words. When you hear the word, you just try to break the sounds and then write it in your notebook. Shall we start to write? Yes. All of you ready with your notebook and then pencil. Get ready with your notebook and pencil, ma. I give you 2 seconds. 2, 1, 0. Yes. Now we are going to say some words one by one. You just hear the word and then try to write the word in your notebook. Shall we start? Yes. Hear the word carefully. I give you 3 seconds to write the word in your notebook. First you have to find out the beginning, middle and then end sounds. And then try to write the word in your notebook. The first word is drip. Hear the word carefully. First word is drip. Drip. Can you hear the word clearly? Drip. I give you 3 seconds to write the word in your notebook. 3, 2, 1, 0. Yes. I move to second word. And the second word is Fran. Fran. Hear the word carefully. Fran. Fran. I give you 3 seconds. Just you find out the beginning, middle and then end sounds and then try to write the word in your notebook. I give you 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1, 0. Yes. Shall I move to the next word? Yes. And the third one is drag. Hear the word carefully. Drag. Drag. I give you 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1, 0. Yes. Shall we move to the next word? Yes. The fourth one is frog. Hear the word carefully and try to break the sounds into beginning, middle, end and then try to write the word in your notebook. Write neatly. Don't scribble. Yes. The fourth word is frog. 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 I give you 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1, 0. Hope children are completed this one. Yes. I show the answers. Just make a self-correction with your answers. If you make mistakes means you just write the word 2 times again in your notebook. Look at this ma. Yes, these are the words I dictate to you. You just make a self-corrections with your answers. If any mistake means you just write the answer, write the word 2 times in your notebook. I give you 2 seconds. 2, 1, 0. Yes. Shall I move to the next session? Right. We moving to our next session, whole words. Yes, in this session I am going to recap all the new whole words done so far. Listen to this. You just point out with your finger and then say the word along with me. Look at the word every. What word is this? Every. Say along with me. Every. Every Sunday he'll come to my house. Every. Let us see the next word. Look at the word ma. Himself. Say loudly. Just follow the arrow and then say the word. Himself. What is this? Himself. Say again. Himself. Look at the next word, ma. Across. Across. Say the word again. Across. See the word and then say loudly. Across. Look at the next word. Again. What is this? Again. You just see the word and then say loudly. Again. What is this? Again. Look at the word, ma. Which. Which. Just say the word loudly. Which. Which is your country? Which. See the next word. Cannot. Cannot. Say the word again. Cannot. Look at the word. Once. What is this? Once. See the word and then say loudly. Once. Once upon a time. Once. Look at the word, ma. Time. What is this? Time. Time. What's the time now? Time. See the word? Sticky. What is this? Sticky. Sticky. Repeat it again. Sticky. This food is too sticky. Sticky. Look at the next word. Greet. Greet. What is this? Greet. Look at the word, ma. Returned. Returned. What is this? Returned. Say the word again. Returned. Filled. Filled. Just see the word and then read loudly. Filled. Say the word again. Filled. Next, be ready with your notebook and then pencil. I give you 2 seconds. 2, 1, 0. Yes. Now we will learn how to write the spelling of the words. I am going to show some new whole words. You just say the spelling and then you have to write the spelling in your notebook. Say and write. Your handwriting must be neat and then legible. Don't scribble on your notebook, ma. Just listen carefully and then try to write neatly. Look at the word. Decide. Say the word again. Decide. Say the spelling. Just follow me and then say loudly. D E C I D E. Decide. Say along with me. Decide. Say and write the spelling in your notebook. I give you 2 seconds to write this spelling. D E C I D E. Decide. I give you 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1, 0. Hope you all completed this. If you didn't complete means you just pause the video and then write the spelling of this word in your notebook. You just say and write the spelling, ma. Let us see the next word. Look at the next word. Reach. Say along with me. Reach. Just say the spelling. R E A C H. Reach. Now you have to start writing your notebook. Say spelling and then write R E A C H. Reach. I give you 2 seconds. 2 1 0. If it didn't complete means just pause the video and then try to write the word in your notebook. Let us see the next word, ma. Look at the next word. Ready. What is this? Ready. Say along with me. R E A D Y. Ready. Just say the spelling and then write in your notebook. Write neatly. R E A D Y. Ready. I give you 2 seconds. 2 1 0. Let us move to the next word. See the word happen. What is this? Happen. Just say follow me and then say the spelling of this word. H A P P E N. Happen. Say the spelling and then write in your notebook. I give you 2 seconds. 2 1 0. Yes. If you didn't finish me, so just pause the video and then write in your notebook, ma. Again you practice these words. Say the spelling and then write it in your notebook. Again 2 times in your notebook, ma. You just say the spelling and then write neatly. Okay, cuties. In your notebook, just copy this tabular column. What I predict, which line in the story tells me that. Yes, so just pause the video and then copy this tabular column in your notebook. And also be ready with your SR book. Open SR 14. I give you 3 seconds. 3 2 1 0. I hope all are ready with your SR 14. SR 14 and the page number 43. Yes. Now we will read the story. Yes, look at the story. What is the title, ma? You just look at the title of the story. Yes, this is the title of the story. What is this? Holiday in Sri Lanka. The story was about the holiday. When we went for a vacation in our holiday, no? Yes, this story is about the holiday in Sri Lanka. Look at the cover page. This is the cover page, right? Look at the cover page. Who is author? Author Shakshi Bhatia. Illustrations Krik D. Penna. Right. Yes, now in your notebook, you try to write what will happen in the story. Just look at this cover page and then try to what will happen in the story. Look at the title and then cover page. Try to write what will happen in the story in this first column. Yes. Look at this. In this first column, you try to write what will happen in the story. And then you just pause the video and then try to write in your notebook, ma. Yes. Now going to read the story. Okay, cuties. You too read along with me. Look at the first page. This is the first page. Tia and Priya decide to go to Colombo. She is Tia and She is Priya. They both of them decide to go to Colombo. Where is Colombo situated? Colombo is in Sri Lanka, right? Yes. Colombo is the capital of Sri Lanka, ma. Yes, they both are decided to go to Colombo. Look at this, ma. This is the Lion Rock. Look at the picture. What is this? This is Lion Rock. Lion Rock is a giant animal carved from stone. This is a single stone carved as a lion. Look at the face. Yes, this looks like a lion. It was created to greet the visitors at the entrance. This Lion Rock is situated in the entrance when people for the greet of the visitors. People from different parts of the world travel to see this rock. This is very famous Lion Rock, ma. Yes, it is carved as an animal. Look at the face. Yes, this is carved as the animal lion. Yes, people from the different places went there to see this rock. If you have any chance means you just go and see this rock. Yes, look at the second page. Colombo is the capital of Sri Lanka. Colombo is the capital of Sri Lanka. Do you know which is the capital of our India? Yes, New Delhi. The capital of our India is New Delhi. Turn next page, SR 15. Look at the page number 3. They reach Sri Lanka and people welcome them. They say, Kohmade. People in Sri Lanka welcome as Kohmade. Say the word Kohmade. Yes. Look at the next page. Tia and Priya are excited to go to the beach. They both are very excited to go to the beach. What is beach, ma? Did you see any beach? Yes. Yes, seashore. Right. Yes, beach is a seashore with full of sand. Beach will completed with full of sand. They both are very excited. We too, right? We too excited to see beach. Look at the 5th page. Sri Lanka has many beautiful beaches. In Sri Lanka, there are many beautiful beaches. Look at the 6th one. They set up their chairs and towels. Turn next page, SR 16. The page number 7. They are ready to get into the water. They are very excited to get into the sea. They are very ready. Just then they see strong waves coming. On the moment they see strong waves. Did you get fear of the waves? Yes. Priya, look at the next page. Priya looks at the sky. She sees big grey clouds. What do you think will happen next? Yes, you just read the story again in your SR book and then try to find what is happening in this picture. And then what do you already know about it? What can you conclude by looking at this picture? Conclude means, yes, your opinion about this story. You just think and get off the answers for these questions in this story again, ma. You just read the story again in your essay book and then try to find out the answers for these questions. Okay, children, I'm going to recap when we use a capital letter, right? Yes. When to use a capital letter? Capital letter, when we use a capital letter. Names of people and animals. When we have to write the names of people and animals, we just use these capital letters. Look at the example. Ria, Rohan, Bruno. For these all names of a person and animals, we use capital letter. Look at this capital letter. And then the letter I. When we have to point out as ourselves, so that we use the word I. For this word I, we use the capital letter. I am playing cricket. I am playing cricket. Look at this I. Yes, this is a capital letter, right? Yes. Next, we use the capital letter in the names. Names of places. When we use to indicate the names of places, any places names, we just use the capital letters. Look at this. India. India. India is the name of a place, right? So that we use the capital letter. Look at this. Next, China. C. China. C is a capital letter. So that for names of places also we use capital letter. And then beginning of a sentence. When we're going to write a sentence, we just use the capital letter at the beginning of the sentence. Look at this. This is a sentence. The boy was thinking. This is a sentence, right? For the beginning of the sentence, we use this capital letter at the word T. Right? At the letter T, we use the capital letter. I hope you all understand this. Again, going to recap this capital letter. For the names of people and animals, and instead of I, the letter I, and then names of places, and then beginning of a sentence, we use these capital letters. I am going to ask some questions. Where do we add a capital letters? I give you 2 seconds. Where do we add a capital letters, ma? 2, 1, 0. Yes, when we start a sentence for proper noun and I. When it is a proper noun and when we start a sentence on I, we use the capital letters. Where do we add a full stop? At the end. At the end of the sentence, we use the full stop. Okay, children, let us going to complete our today's session. Today's homeworks are, you just complete the worksheet 13, question 2. Worksheet 13, question 2, and then worksheet 14, first question and then second question. You just fill up the blanks with the given words in this box and then make a sentence with these 2 words. We already learned how to make the sentence using noun and then verb. Right? Yes. Just like that you do this second question. And then worksheet 15. Worksheet 15. Question number 1. Look at the first question. You have to match subject with verb. As your own, you have to do it in your worksheet, ma'am. Yes. Let us going to complete our today's session. We will see you in next session. You just do all this worksheet activity and then practice the story again in your essay book. If you complete the worksheet means you just take a photo and then send it in your WhatsApp group. Okay, cuties. See you in our next session. Thank you.